coasting and traveling, and I'm here at one of my favorite restaurants in Maryland. Well, not Maryland, guys. Selbyville, Delaware, but they have locations in Maryland. The Crabcake Factory. Bayside. Let's go in and get that Bloody Mary, guys. Alright guys, look at this Bloody Mary. This is the 32 ounce. You get to keep this cup. As you can see, let me get a little more light there, guys. Okay, so quarter-pound crab meat. You've got the candy bacon. You've got the shrimp. Stem's getting in there. We've got a little tomato. But this is the Crabcake Factory's Bloody Mary that I have come to adore and love, and I had to have one while I was back on the East Coast. So this is the best, guys. If you ever are in Ocean City or right in Fenwick, you gotta come out here because this is unbelievable. Alright, so I'm still working on my Bloody Mary. It's a lot, guys. And because we had eaten a little something before we came, because the main objective was this. We got chicken tenders, fresh cut fries, got some nice malt vinegar, or we can use the crab dip that you can order as a side, and it is good, guys. It is good. Alright guys, we had a wonderful time here at the Crabcake Factory, Bayside. It is very, very cold. It's probably the coldest I have been to the beach in a very long time. So coasting and traveling is going to tell you, do what you love. Love what you do. Keep on coasting. Keep on traveling. And no matter what time of the year, even if it's frosty cold, you're going to come here to the Crabcake Factory, Bayside, because the Bloody Marys are excellent. See ya!